Gold is a bit tricky at the moment, but it looks like it wants to go up and rebalance this whole move to the downside. I was expecting price to drop here. I was expecting price to take out this equal low, but it didn't. It looks like they engineered another low. So support and resistance, people are happy to this time because it did offer them that. But I think ultimately they're gonna run it. How they're gonna do it, I don't know. Maybe it will be some form of a news, and then they'll just slam it down, like it did happen this morning. This could have potentially just run down. So my opinion on this really is not clean. I'm not sure what they're trying to do. So what I'll watch is the closing price of this, sorry, the opening price of this. Okay, that's the last down candle prior to this move up. Okay, the opening price, sorry, the closing price. I want to see how price is gonna react in there. If it gets there and then it gives me a rejection, then I'll start looking for reasons to go short. I started looking for a sell here at the low. This is a breaker. That's where I started looking for a sell, and I got one, but it did close me out on Friday. Okay, I mentioned I went short here. I mentioned I went short right here, this up candle. That's why I went short. Okay, on Friday price came back up. I didn't want to hold it over the weekend because there's so many things going on, and gold is one of the currencies you do not want to hold long term in this condition. Okay, gold is one of the pairs you do not want to hold on to it long term in this condition. So anything can happen, and they could just slam it down or take it up rapidly like this did, and you don't want to be in it. Okay, so I closed it. So I'm looking for a trade again for this week. So maybe a run above this high into the closing price on the down candle, a break again, then I'll start looking for reasons to go short.